It's matching with the vibe. Do you want a twin? It's very nice. We also have these very cute slippers. Adidas. This has a mini crop top and has a very furry shrug. Oh my god, it's so warm. So got some basic kiwis for 750. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another series of exploring Chandigarh. So in this video, I'm going to explore this market right here. ये यहाँ पे तिब्बतन market है. पिछले कई सालों से लग रही है. ये हाउसिंग बोर्ड चौक है. Show them around. So that is the famous हाउसिंग बोर्ड चौक and इसके बिल्कुल सामने लगती है market. यहाँ से मैंने बहुत शॉपिंग की है. इनफैक्ट ये जो श्रग मैंने अभी पहना हुआ है, this also I got from here when I was in school. So it was good 7-8 years back. तो आप लगा लो कि क्वालिटी कितनी अच्छी, because this is as new and I wear this a lot. So let's go explore the market. So guys, earlier this market used to have just this row and that one that's right there. बट अभी इधर बीच वाली रोज भी बन गई हैं एंड बहुत सारी शॉप्स हैं यहाँ पे. यू कैन गेट स्वेटर्स, वुलन्स, यू कैन गेट ओवरकोट्स, छोटे बच्चों के, बड़े बच्चों के, लेडीज, जेंट्स, एवरीथिंग. यू ऑल्सो गेट वेरी नाइस कैप्स, मफरल्स, स्कार्फ्स. आई यूजुअली कम हियर एवरी ईयर टू शॉप समथिंग एटलीस्ट. लास्ट ईयर मैंने बहुत सुंदर 2 स्कार्फ्स लिए थे एंड आज देखते हैं हमें क्या मिलता है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द शॉप 1 राइट हियर. We have very gorgeous coats. I have a yellow one like mustard. Then we also have a bottle green. It's the same I think, and the red also. I really like the variety in colors. Okay guys, so this one's for 2800. Looks good I think. But rest Pavni is gonna tell me. How is it looking?
It actually matches with your sweatshirt.
Nice. I think it's a little tight, or maybe I'm wearing too many layers.
You're wearing shrugs underneath.
Yeah, it's matching with the vibing. It is pretty warm and looks great also. भैया बड़े sizes भी हैं क्या? Great. We also have this very cute furry blazer right here. It's very nice. We have it in pink color also. Do you want a twin?
Oh yeah.
This for 3200. It is from a brand called JL.P. It's very cute, but I don't think this is my size again. But it's very cute, and I think it's warm too. From the shop number 2 I found very 2 beautiful kurtas. So this is one right here. This also comes with matching pants, which one are right here, and it is again super warm. So जिनको Indians पहनने हैं सर्दियों में, it's a really good one and it's very good in length. Then we also have this black goes with like everything, and this is for 1500. This is a steel. I think it's very warm and it's very stylish at the same point. This one's for 2300 and I think both of them are worth it because this comes with the pants and this doesn't. But black ke saath to you can wear black leggings and a lot of things go with it. Number 2 and I'm in love with this jacket. It actually says branding of Vero Moda and इसमें अंदर tag भी है. This is for 2100 and I'm pretty sure Vero Moda के store से you won't get it for less than 4000 and it's very nice, very metallic, very nice, and I think it's gonna be super warm also. It's a puffer jacket. The hoodie is also removable, which is great. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे cute बच्चों के लिए भी हैं jackets. Like I found this one right here. It's a very cute if you have a baby. This is for 1050. All the prices here are like fixed prices. You cannot negotiate. And I also like this one, like very nice half jackets with the fur, very cute. It's for 1,000 rupees and it's very nice. If you're looking for light puffer jackets, this has to be a go-to. This is for 1,600. It's very nice puffer jacket. Actually, I'm gonna try it. This is my size. Looks super cute. And I think it's a steal for 1,600. No, it's not my size.
But it
it's
suits
like
you
super
so well.
cute. Yeah. The pockets also have zips. So guys, we found this very nice shop which has cardigans, like you know, suits के ऊपर डालने के लिए and jeans के ऊपर भी डाल सकते हो. This one's for 1,400. And there's also this. Oh, this is nice, white and blue. Something I really like.
Your favorite color.
Yeah, my favorite color. And they also have very beautiful shawls, like stalls.
Yeah.
इसका क्या प्राइस है?
इसका 950 होगा बेटा.
अच्छा, 950 के हिसाब से तो बहुत सुंदर काम है.
बहुत
इस पे.
सुंदर है, पूरा वर्क है ना.
It's very very nice for 950 rupees. Totally worth it, I think. I should actually show it to you guys like this. 950. It's really nice. I think I'm gonna bring my mom and make her buy this. It's very beautiful.
और एक ये होगा बेटा, देखो पूरा ऑल ओवर कश्मीरी वर्क है ना. पूरा कश्मीरी.
ये वाला कितने का आंटी?
ये 1050 का बेटा. बहुत रेंज रीजनेबल होगा.
And it's pretty warm and इस पे पूरे पे जाल है, so I think it's a great deal. So guys, these have again very beautiful jackets. We have puffer jackets, we have joggers which say Nike, that's great, and this is for 850. I think it's a steal deal. And then we also have got some denim jackets right here. We have blue and we also have some unique colors like wine right here. It also has a little fur. I like the detailing. This is for 1,500. Very nice buttons. If you're looking for something different but denim, here's your way. They also have a brown, a black, a beige, bluish. For mommies with super cute kids, this set is for like 600 and it has a pajama and a very cute pullover. Also, this one right here has to be my favorite. This is for 800. This is a very cute baby pink sweater with a very nice scarf, and I think baby girls would kind of rock it. Guys, we also have these very cute slippers and they're very soft and furry. Also have a great sole. These are for 350 and I think it's a great price for them. We also have these very cute for chotu bachas. This is for 450. These are actual shoes, aren't slippers. And I think बच्चों को घर में पहनाने के लिए सर्दियों में they are really nice. These jackets are super cool and they're for 3,000 and it's very nice, very chic, very bougie. So if you're into this, like it's a very nice metallic, it's shining, it's so nice. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be warm too, and I think it's unisex. Guys, Adidas ripoffs or no, I don't know, but this jacket is so nice, so cute, and this was just 1,000 rupees. Colors bhi hai isme. You also have got this pink one right here. I'm gonna check it if they have my size in this because I really like this color. Looks good on you.
It does?
Yes, it does.
Oh, they have mirrors also.
Yes. Yeah, it's looking good on you.
Chalo, let's consider buying it then.
Guys, I found this and kid you not, मैंने ये same देखा था online for 2,500. This has a mini crop top and has a very furry shrug, matching cord, and I got I saw this for 24, 25 and this is for 1,400. So tell me who has a steal here. It's really nice. It's warm and it's so beautiful.
Winnie?
Have a look at my background. You'll find something. Guys, check out these very, very, very nice and classy shrugs. These are for 1,250 and they're warm. And they also have another colors. They have a brown and they have a blue, and pink and orange are the colors of the season. So it's really nice. Also has a fur collar. Okay, so you just have to do this and put a hook here. Oh my god, it's so warm. It's actually very warm, you guys. You can throw this on anything, like any dress, jeans, top, whatever you want. and I think it looks good. I think it's really nice. It's very warm, like I can feel the heat. Guys, सिर्फ बड़ों की नहीं, यहाँ पे छोटे बच्चों के भी metallic puffer jackets available है.
मोहिनी है, मेरे को भी आ जाएगा.
Oh, you are also a छोटा बच्चा. Guys, this is a gents shop, but I think this is unisex. This has Tommy branding on it, like Tommy, and it also has a Tommy tag, and it's for 1100. I'm pretty sure it's not real Tommy, but it's very nice. We have also got some basic skivvies for 750, and I think these are great for layering. And these are warm too, yeah. Everything here is super warm. Like I don't need not to say again and again. Everything is very warm. Guys, the socks are super cute. Chote bachcho wale. These are for 200 and these are for 250. And I got similar socks for 350 from Manali. I got 2 pairs, one for me, one for Bhabhi. But these are a steal, man.
कैसा फील हो रहा है अब?
बहुत बुरा फील हो रहा है. I lost 200 rupees. But these are nice and very Christmassy. And guys, these are very warm. I wear them every night, like great quality. Guys, I'm with Pavni. So kids section तो हमने पूरी रेड मार लिया. This is for 1350. It's so cute and very beautiful, like very funny. And this is very classy, you guys. Like literally nobody can ever think ये तुमने तिब्बत market से लिया. It's very classy. Get a lot of basics here, like it's a really nice basic black sweater for just 1000 rupees. This is for 500 and it looks like a H&M or a Zara scarf. Really good quality, so nice the quality. Nike for 1050 here. It's not real Nike, obviously, because Nike won't do this quality. But it's a very nice and fuzzy sweatshirt.
So cute.
It's for just 200 rupees. So हमने market सारी देख ली. The market is great. You get a lot of stuff here. And right now we are at the Little Tibet and we've ordered some food. We have ordered like half veg momos which are for 50 rupees, and we have ordered veg garlic chow mein half, that's for 70, and one Sprite as well. And overall, Pavni, do you want to conclude anything about the market?
It's amazing. The clothes are really warm. I mean,
Everything is very warm.
And the stylish also. If you know how to pick well, it's
Yes.
amazing place. Bargaining नहीं है, fixed price है, but affordable है बहुत.
Yes. Also, guys, यहाँ पे जो हमने देखे वो Reeboks, उनकी do check the quality of them because I found one piece जिसकी sleeve हल्की सी खराब थी. Otherwise, everything I picked up was great quality. So even if you are into Reeboks and if you wanna buy, then just do check the quality really good because I don't think they do exchanges here. Okay guys, so let's try the momos. They're usually very good. Time to try the garlic noodles. They're good. Really good. So guys, thank you so much if you watched till here. This market is a definitely must visit. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी आपकी अच्छी सर्दियों की शॉपिंग हो जाएगी. You'll come here and shop from my recommendations. I'll be very happy. Let me know in the comment section down below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I upload a lot of exploring Chandigarh videos very often. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another video super soon. I upload videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. So stay tuned guys. Bye bye.